Okay, first thing you want to do is take out these set screws here on the handle. A 3/32 Allen wrench will do it. Take that one out. Another one on the opposite side. Then what you're going to want to do, get your snap ring pliers, press the snap ring on the top here, and just lift up, and both these pieces should come off together. Then this lid's going to come off. Then you want to go ahead, get your 1/2" wrench. And take off. There's two ferrule nuts. There's one inside here on the center of the cylinder head. There's one that comes down here to this lead off the gas valve. So you just want to take those off. This one right here is going to be really tight because there is red Loctite on that one. This was really easy to get off. And you see this one gets a lot easier after you get about to the halfway point. So then just pull that line off there. Then on this side right here, you have to take this pressure gauge off so you can see it. But there's an Allen head screw. And that is 5/32. Break that free. Back her on out. Then once that's out, there's a pin sits inside here to hold this arm on for a pivot where it pivots. Directly on the opposite side of the valve, there's a hole. Might be kind of hard to see, but there's just a little pinhole directly on the opposite side of where that screw went. So then you just push a little screwdriver in there, and then put your hand on the other side so you can get this little dowel pin out. Then once you do that, this gas valve arm will slide out this way. Comes out the back through this hole, back this way. Okay, when you got that done, the back here, on the back side of the hammer on the cylinder, you'll see there's an Allen head here also. It's a locking set screw to keep the cylinder head from moving left or right. It's an 1/8". Stick that in there, back that on out. Then there's another snap ring inside here to hold the cylinder head on. You just need to take that out. Then once that's out, you can go ahead and you can remove your cylinder head. Just grab it by that knob, just wiggle it on out until it pops out. Then there's another snap ring. Just do the same thing. It sits right below that cylinder head. Press that and take it on out. Okay, now that that's all done, you'll be able to see, you can see your piston. There's no snap rings or anything in your way now. So you can go ahead and, this is what we do. Just grab the hammer like so, tip it upside down, and sometimes they're a little hard to come out, so you just give her a little slam there, and it's going to pop out. Now, like I said, I was going to show you everything on the piston here. There's two rings. This is the bottom of the piston. So the piston's going to be sitting like this when you're putting it back in. two rings look the same are towards the bottom on the second groove and the last groove. And when you're putting it back in, you want to offset them. So if I have this one like so, I want this one a little bit over this way so they're not all in line. Then on the top ring, there's going to be a metal band. And that goes in like so. And again, this is offset too. A little tricky. Then you just put that bronze ring over the top of it. And it goes like so.